Okay, so I moved this big shelf thing off my dad's Sears, and so you can get a better look at it. It's it's in the 70s. I'm not sure exact year. Sears Suburban 12 with a 12-horse Tecumseh with the hydraulic front end bucket. I can't really get over there to show you the bucket, but there's the controls. It needs new hoses, or it needs new seals and hoses because it's been leaking down there. It's got wheel weights, 3-point hitch, which has the it has a bucket of concrete for grip, chains. We also have another set of tires for it, so you can make dual back wheels. But it's not running right now because it needs a new starter generator. Hold on. But here's the motor. It's in pretty good shape for its age. Exhaust. Starter generator's right here though. But it broke a couple years ago. But we just used recoil start. It's not gonna run, but really bad gas in there. It'll take some time, like father and son work, but it's worth it, I think. It's a nice tractor. The lights don't work, but got amperage, high, low range, 3-speed, piping brake, and that's about it.